This is my R32 GTR, and she has one major issue right now. And we're gonna be here for the next 24 hours dropping the transmission. And unfortunately, I'm not very mechanically inclined. So I got one of my good friends, Nathan, who also has an R32 GTR, to help me with the job. My boy right there is gonna lead us to the promised land. And we're gonna continue to build one of the best, most monstrous GTRs. We have all our tools, we have the transmission jack here. It's gonna be quite the learning experience for me. I'm up for the challenge, I'm up for the task. And if you guys were wondering what is the issue, why are we dropping the transmission, what's wrong with it, what's so devastating? Well, gears are grinding and the throw bearing is going bad. So, gotta fill some fluids, check the fluids, check for leaks, and replace that throw bearing so it'll go into gears nice and smoothly. So when we start adding power to this thing, the transmission is able to keep up.
Bitch, can't step foot inside my ride. It ain't no joke, bitch, ain't no room up on this side.
Let's go ahead and move my car. We got Nate's car over here. We got to move his car out of the garage as well, up out the way. His car is very sick. If you guys haven't seen, you guys seen his car on the channel already. You guys know what it is. Big single, very loud, very race car-esque. Missing his chin a little bit there, but she do be sounding good though. Gonna get much louder real soon, but first we gotta tackle the essentials. I don't even know if you guys could hear it really, but there's a slight ticking, hissing, whatever. If you ever heard a throwout bearing go out or start grinding, need to be replaced, you know what we're talking about. It's very subtle right now, but it gets a lot worse, trust me. Now it's time to get Nate's car out of the garage, and this car is a beast, y'all. This car sounds like a proper GTR. Oh yeah, buddy boy, Bron. Yeah. He's also got a nice little bucket seat. Very, very tight squeeze, but very clean. We will let her warm up for a little bit before we move her. I don't know when the last time he started this thing was, so we'll let her get the fluids going. We'll move her up, and it's time to drop a tranny. Alright y'all, quick intermission. As you guys saw in the last B-roll footage of the whole underside of Skyla, my GTR, and every bolt, every part in there has barnacles, it's corroded, it looks absolutely horrible. So we need to replace literally everything. I don't know who neglected this car, but the previous owners, it had a very rough life. You know, not the worst in the world, but this car definitely didn't get the love or the respect it deserved in its past life. And that's what we're here to do. We're gonna be completely restoring this car as best to my ability and to my wallet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't Bill Gates, but you know, we're gonna do our best. So starting with that, some of you guys may know, we were running with 4 lug nuts because we did the stud conversion kit from GK Tech. It got effed up because the GK Tech studs were really bad. So nothing against GK Tech, their products are for the most part really good, but their studs for this car are really bad. They're really soft threads. And we found out today that the studs, the brand new GK Tech studs, were already rusting, so they're really bad, no good. I don't recommend that product specifically from them, but again, this is nothing against them, so I don't want them to feel like I'm bashing them. Most of their products, that might have been just a bad batch or whatever, but you know, GK Tech is normally on top of their stuff. So I ordered brand new OEM studs. Can't go wrong with OEM. We'll be replacing those in the very near future. Slowly but surely get it all done, but the trans should be coming out very soon, so stay tuned. First things first. Damn, that motherfucker rusty as hell, what?
It's not as bad as mine. Mine was worse.
It's not as bad as yours?
No, my shit is rusted the fuck.
Yeah, well, I'll take that as a win. Yikes. Well, let's get some B-roll going.
Because I need to look at that first.
What is this blue wire right here? That's gotta be for like some sound system, right?
Yeah, I'm thinking you have upgraded backs.
Ugh.
Never as good underneath the boot.
Probably not.
Just about.
Oh, is this supposed to be wet like that?
No, because this is broken.
Why is that broken?
I wish I could tell you.
Maybe this is definitely what's leaking in my garage then. Because look at all that gunk and buildup. So this is definitely what's leaking onto my floor. Well, we've already found the first broken piece 5 minutes in. She's good to go. Got her hooked up to the quick jacks. She's going up, y'all. That motherfucker was leaning, hold on. And that is gonna be our home for the next 24 hours. All of that work just for a tiny little circle, tiny little bearing. All right, y'all. About to drain the tranny right now.
You like draining trannies? It's kind of crazy.
It's an insane thing to say.
Oh, no, there's in there.
Oh, that shit is dirty as. Oh, bro.
Want to talk about it?
That shit is stained. What is this shit made of, bro?
Welcome to automatic transmission fluid.
Automatic?
That's what ATF stands for, automatic transmission
fluid.
Bro, that shit smells like dog ass. At least it's not that bad. This
is supposed to be bright red.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. It's supposed to be like,
And
it's supposed to be like cough syrup.
You was talking about grinding, right?
Yeah. And why isn't there a lot in there?
Oh my god! Hold on.
Babe?
Oh!
Can you get that a little closer for me?
Buddy, we're fried.
That's a little toasty. Someone's not shifting right.
Fuck me, bro. It's not that bad for real?
No, it's not that bad. I was just fucking with you.
Okay, good, bro. Fuck, bro. I was sitting there.
It's just a magnet at the top of it, so it keeps it out of the fluid.
Keeps us from the car getting fucked up.
Bro, I was about to be sick to my stomach.
You already
Bro, I can't take any more bad news. We done already found 30 other things that are wrong. We fixed one thing, 7 other things are wrong or gone bad.
Welcome to the GTR family.
Fuck me, bro. Yeah, I don't know how soon that Evo is gonna come, yo. I ain't gonna cap to you. This shit gonna have my pockets hurting for the rest of my life.
At least 2 more years.
Yeah, it's at least 2 more years for sure. And in 2 more years, guess what's legal? The JDM Evo 8.
And guess what's gonna be hurting your bank account?
Hey, but fuck it though, it's a never-ending cycle. Alright, y'all, update. It is about, let's see, 5 hours since the last time we picked up the camera. It's been a hell of a ride, I ain't gonna lie, and it's gotten to this point. If you see what's in my boy's hand right now, it's getting pretty bad, getting pretty stressful. Bolts are a bitch to get off. They're rusted, 30 years old, covered in hella oil, gunk, who knows? It's just all bad. So we got 3 of the 4 front drive shaft bolts out. That 4th one, it's gonna have to go. It's gonna have to get sacrificed in order for us to get this trans out. The goal for night 1 is just to drop the trans, and tomorrow we'll pick up, replace the part, put the trans back in. That's the goal. That's the update. It's time to get to cutting. Success. We got the front and the rear drive shaft out finally. Thankfully, that's good news. But bad news is that the rear drive shaft is blown. And I either need to buy a replacement or buy a repair kit. Probably gonna opt for the repair kit because I am not Bill Gates, and this is budget build. The next steps will be to wiggle or shake the trans loose from the motor and drop it. And then we'll continue to day 2. So I'll update you guys when we get the trans actually out of the car. Get a 90s JDM car, they said. It'll be fun, they said. This is not fun, bro. 200 OBO.
200.
N1 front bumper.
OBO.
OBO carbon Kevlar hood. Pristine, no fade.
That's millennium code.
Millennium fade. Oh, welcome back, family. It is now day 2 of the GTR project in this 24-hour repair. Honestly, it's been a hell of a first day. The first night ended on a high and then kind of like a mid. So we got pretty much the bolts that we were struggling the most with out, but then continued to struggle with But continued to struggle with some future bolts that were kind of in an awkward spot. Sprayed them with some WD-40. They were caked in oil and a bunch of other stuff. So hopefully today, with some fresh food, some fresh sleep, and a fresh mind, we can go ahead and knock that out, get the trans down, replace the throwout bearing, and happy Skyla.
So Abe's gonna push backwards while you're shaking side to side.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
It's a boy.
All right, we're getting to the spinny.
Okay.
So be aware, it's gonna tip towards you, but it's not gonna fall on you. It's gonna tip towards you.
But it might fall on you.
It ain't gonna follow me.
That black wire, where does it go to?
To these.
It goes to those?
Yeah.
Is there a bolt or a clip holding them?
Yes.
There you go. Yeah. Can you pop them out?
No, because the chain.
But besides the chain, if we were to fix the chain, no, fix it. And then pull them out, and then put the chain back. Pull the chain down tight.
Shut up. Fucking nut and bolt. Ooh, I like that sound.
Yeah.
You coming? There we go. We got it.
Yeah?
Is it out, or is it still on it? Can we push all the way back?
I think I can push it back.
Keep pushing back then. Keep
Push,
pushing.
push.
Push straight towards me. Let's push back.
I'm pushing.
Keep going. You gotta get. It's gonna be a good push.
I gotta one more.
Nice. Okay.
Okay.
Good push. Ready?
Are we hitting on anything?
No, you're good back.
All right. Let's go. Push.
2, 3,
Go.
Oh, it's fucking moving.
wiggle side to side. That's the only thing that's gonna get its camera.
Whoa.
Woody.
What? Is it
I
on
could
the
see
dial
the
button?
clutch. Like I could see the clutch.
Okay,
We have
well,
like.
if you're still seeing the clutch, then try to get the pry bar and go up as high as you can.
3, 2, 1.
We're stuck on that.
Are we hitting the trans tunnel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's
Now,
off.
We need to. We're gonna have to go out the ass. No, I'm playing.
Actually,
Yikes.
No, I'm fucking with you.
no, you're right.
Is it supposed to be doing that?
It's spinning clearly.
But how does it sound?
Like an old skateboard wheel.
Yeah, it sounds like a skateboard bearing.
I'm in the middle. And that right there, folks, is what a bad throwout bearing sounds like.
Damn. So this was what is causing all that ruckus. Let's take a look at the clutch again.
Yeah, not stop.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my fucking god, bro. That shit was tipping backwards.
Yeah, it will. I told them that it was fine.
Oh.
Throwout bearing sits,
Uh-huh.
and then you have your input shaft.
Okay.
Then down here is where you can see all your plates, which you have, looks like 2 plates.
Okay.
So,
Oh.
Yummy.
Who knows? There's the clutch though. Brand new. Genuine. Yeah. So that's what it's supposed to look like?
Just look pretty.
Yeah, that other one was fried then. Well, y'all, it's gonna be going into day 3. It's about 2 o'clock, I think like 2:30 in the morning right now. And we got the clutch stabbed, but it's just being real finicky right now. And we're gonna call it a night for day 2. We're gonna leave it sitting like this for tonight. She's up there. She's pretty much ready to go, but it needs some more finessing and it needs some fresh eyes, some fresh brain.